In last video, we had seen what is electronic effect and also its importance in organic chemistry. And if you have any doubt regarding it, you may visit my last video. Now in this video, we will see one of the type of electronic effect, and that is inductive effect. Inductive effect. Inductive effect is a slight but permanent displacement of electrons, that is sigma electrons, towards more electronegative atom. As we already know, each sigma electrons is made up of 2 electrons. So in very simple words, shifting of this sigma electrons towards more electronegative atom, that is only called as a inductive effect. We will understand it in a more better way by referring some of the examples. Over here, the hydrogen has the electronegativity of 2.1. Here, the electronegativity difference is 0. That is, both have the equal affinity towards these bonded electrons, that is sigma electrons. So here, the sigma electrons will remain in the center of this molecule. Same in the case of chlorine. Chlorine has the electronegativity of 3.1. So here also the electronegativity difference is 0. So both have the equal affinity towards this bonded electrons, that is sigma electrons. So here also sigma electrons will remain in the center of this molecule. Here in case of bromine also, bromine has the electronegativity of 2.8. Both of the bromine atom has the equal affinity towards this bonded electrons, that is sigma electrons. So the sigma electrons will remain in the center of this molecule. Here there is no inductive effect where both of the bonded atoms are same if they have the same electronegativity. But in such cases, consider this is any organic system, and if A is any of the atoms which are bonded to this system, if the electronegativity of the A is higher or more than the carbon atom, then both of these sigma electrons will shift towards atom A. And due to this shifting, this A will gain a delta negative charge and carbon will gain a delta positive charge. For example, over here, carbon has the electronegativity of 2.5. Chlorine has the electronegativity of 3.1. Here, chlorine is more electronegative. So, both of these sigma electrons will shift towards the chlorine. Therefore, the chlorine will gain a delta negative charge and carbon will gain a delta positive charge. Now, if in second case, if this is any organic system and B is any of the bonded atoms, if electronegativity of B is less than carbon, that is carbon has the greater electronegativity, then both of these sigma electrons will shift towards carbon. And due to this shifting, carbon will gain a delta negative charge and this atom B will gain a delta positive charge. For example, over here, carbon has the electronegativity of 2.5. Lithium has the electronegativity of 0.98 approx. So here carbon is more electronegative. So both of these electrons will shift towards carbon. And due to this shifting, carbon will gain a delta negative charge and lithium will gain a delta positive charge. Why this charge is denoted by delta? It denotes that is a partial shifting of electrons. Here there is no breaking of this bond takes place. Here the electrons just get shift. It is a partial shifting of electrons takes place. So I hope you understand what is inductive effect. Now types of inductive effect. Inductive effect are of two types, plus I effect and minus I effect. So first we will see plus I effect. Consider this any organic system, and if A is any group or atoms which are attached to the organic system. If the electronegativity of this A is less than carbon, then both of these sigma electrons will shift towards carbon. And due to this shifting, this A will gain a delta positive charge and carbon will gain a delta negative charge. As inductive effect decreases with the increase in distance, that is, it is distance dependent, so second carbon will gain a delta negative charge, third carbon will gain a delta negative charge, and fourth carbon will gain a delta negative charge, and after fourth carbon the inductive effect is almost negligible. Here A is also called as the electron donating group or electron repelling group. All these groups shows a plus I effect. Here the reference is taken as a hydrogen as it does not show any inductive effect. Here first two are anions, so they are already electron rich, so they can easily donate electron. Then tertiary alkyl group, then secondary alkyl group, then primary alkyl group, then normal alkyl, that is methyl, and then hydrogen. So these are plus I series. Now second, that is a minus I effect. Consider this is any organic system and B is any atom or a group which are attached to the organic system. If the electronegativity of the B is higher than that of the carbon, then both of these sigma electrons will shift towards B. So due to this shifting, this B will gain a delta negative charge and carbon will gain a delta positive charge. As I already told you, that inductive effect is distance dependent. So second carbon will gain a delta positive charge, third carbon will gain a delta positive charge, and fourth carbon will gain a delta positive charge. And after fourth carbon, the inductive effect is almost negligible. Here B is also called as the electron withdrawing group or electron attracting group, as electrons are coming towards this B. This all group shows minus I effect and it is termed as minus I series. Here also hydrogen is taken as a reference as it does not show inductive effect. Here NF3 plus shows the highest minus I effect. Here nitrogen is bonded to 3 fluorine atom and there is a positive charge on nitrogen, and fluorine has the highest electronegativity of 4. So electron will shift towards fluorine. So fluorine will gain delta negative charge and there will be a 3 partial delta positive charge on nitrogen. It was already electron deficient, and by additional 3 delta positive charge, it will become a more electron deficient. So it will show highest minus I series, then Nr3 plus, then NH3 plus. NO2 group, then cyanide, then aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. Then it's a series of halogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Then ether, alcohol, then alkyne, NH2, phenyl, alkene. So these are all about minus I series. These are some key points of inductive effect. First, that is a slight shifting of bonding pair of electrons towards more electronegative atom, and bonding pair of electrons remains in the same orbital in which they are present. They do not leave that orbital. It takes place in the sigma bond. It is a single bond. It is permanent effect and irreversible. It results into the partial polarity. And it is transmitted along the chain of atoms. It is distance dependent. As the distance increases, inductive effect decreases. After fourth carbon, it is almost negligible. I hope you understand what is inductive effect and its types, that is minus I effect and plus I effect. Thank you.